In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll move carefully through each action so you know exactly what to click and why, and I'll share clear tips to keep you safe and confident. Start in your web browser and head to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. When the results appear, look for the official website. You want the result that clearly shows the Binance.com domain. Before you click, double-check the URL in your browser to make sure it's spelled correctly and secured with HTTPS. This simple habit helps you avoid look-alike sites. Once you're on the Binance homepage, navigate to the Spot section. Spot is the place for straightforward, one-for-one crypto trading without leverage. It's ideal for buying or selling a coin at the current market price or placing a limit order at a price you choose. If you're new, take a second to get oriented. You'll see market listings, charts, an order panel, and a balance area. If you're prompted to sign in or create an account, follow the on-screen prompts and only proceed if you're comfortable with the platform's terms and regional availability. Next, open the ETH USDT trading page. ETH is Ether, the native token of the Ethereum network. USDT is a widely used stablecoin that tracks the US dollar, making it a common pairing for pricing. On this page, you'll notice the live price chart, the order book, and the trading panel below. Keep your focus on the Buy section, which is where you'll initiate your purchase. Click on Buy ETH. Depending on your account status and region, this may open the trading panel directly or prompt you with a notice about verification. If you see identity verification required, click it. Binance uses identity verification to meet regulatory standards and to protect your account. Expect to confirm your personal details and submit a government-issued ID, and you may be asked for a quick face verification. Have your documents ready, and make sure your camera is clear and your environment is well lit. Only upload documents through the official site and never share codes or recovery phrases with anyone. After you've clicked through to verification, follow the instructions on screen and give the system time to review your information. Once verification is complete, you can return to the ETH USDT page, select the order type you prefer, review the fees and total, and proceed when you're comfortable. Remember, crypto markets are volatile, so take your time. Start small if you're testing the waters, and always confirm you're on the official website before making any moves.